So in this video we are going to install G++ compiler in Ubuntu here, and we are going to compile the C++ code. So first we have to do is sudo apt get update in our Linux terminal. Here I am using WSL Ubuntu. You can use it on your virtual machine Ubuntu terminal. So let's type it sudo apt update. Now it will ask for your admin password. I am entering here. Oops, there it is wrong. Let me try again. Now yeah, it can working. So after updating your system sudo apt update, you have to just let it happen. Now it is going to happen now. Okay, so now we have to just clear it all, and we have to type here sudo apt install G++. It's that simple in Linux. That's the beauty of Linux, I guess. So now let's see what it is saying. So as you can already see, I have installed my G++ compiler earlier. When you will install here, the process will take place and G++ compiler will be installed. So if you've installed your compiler for CPP, you can check the version like this. As you can see, my version of G++ is 11.4.0. It is a free software foundation corporation. That's beauty here in Ubuntu. Good. Now let's make a folder for our C++ programs named as CPP programs. Now let's create. We will first go to directory of CPP. Now let's create our first file, whatever you want to name it. I am going to name it here hello.cpp. basically. Now the VI editor has opened. You can just go into edit mode by pressing I on the keyboard. Now I will write the code here. So basically just include some header file like iostream.h using namespace std. Yeah, we can do like that. The best thing about Ubuntu and programming C++ program here is that it's quite simple and focused. It's just you have to write code and you have to just convert that file using a simple command. And it is easy to install anywhere. The G++ compiler, it is very fast. As you can see, the interface is quite like a geeky nerdy interface. Here the best thing is that you can already see. So as I have written my code here, now I would just save it by writing wq semicolon wq. If you want to know about VI editor, you can just tell me in the comment section. I would provide you some syntax for it. So as you can see, my hello.cpp program has been made. Now I would use this command g++ -o and the compiled name that I want to give it is hello for the file hello.cpp. As you can see, there is an error that I have done. I have just used .h in the header file. I don't have to do it. Basically I will go there and remove .h part of the code. Now it's okay. Now I will save it. Now you will see that it was working. It will work. So as you can see, there is the application executable file hello created, and on running it can successfully run. So this is a basic simple tutorial to run C++ on Ubuntu. Thank you.